Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts. Today we have a super exciting unboxing for you. We are diving into the highly viral white Omega Moonswatch, which features Snoopy. Now, this collaboration has been making waves in the watch community, some good and some bad, so let's dive in and see what this watch has to offer. Now, right off the bat, I love the white and black, very clean design of the packaging. The outer box has a very minimalist type of feel with the Omega icon and the Swatch logo, and of course, Snoopy himself. Now on the back here, you will see a chronology of Omega and Snoopy's influence on the missions that we've had to space. Specifically, let's take a look. So in 1965, Omega's first Speedmaster is declared flight qualified for all manned space missions. And the Speedmaster was actually the first watch actually worn in space, so that is pretty cool. This Speedmaster for Omega is pretty iconic. In 1969, Apollo 10 lunar module was actually nicknamed Snoopy. And in 1970, Omega received the Silver Snoopy Award. Now, this collaboration between Omega and Swatch was launched in 2024. I believe these watches came out in early 2024, around April. They first launched with a white and a black Moonswatch, both of which featured Snoopy. Now, these watches had a lot of hype, as I mentioned, and the partnership actually continued. Now, some watch enthusiasts think it has kind of gone a little bit too far, but I will let you decide that one for yourself. What I can show you is all of the other swatches that are included in the Moonswatch collection. So as you'll see, Swatch has released a lot of other designs, and they are the mission to something. So you'll see mission to Neptune, mission to Pluto, mission to Mars, and they all kind of have their own branding and what I think is a pretty well thought out design. I mean, after all, it is Swatch, so we really don't expect anything less. Now, of course, the packaging does include some instructions. Keep in mind, this is a chronograph, so you will have the ability to set the time as well as use all of those chronograph functions. Now let's go ahead and talk about the overall feel of the watch for a second. Now, of course, you have to keep in mind that this is a bioceramic case, so it is super lightweight. It's not going to give you that heavy feeling of a watch with a more sophisticated movement. It measures 42 millimeters, so it is a larger face. Just to keep in mind, a general women's watch is maybe 36 millimeters, 34 if you like it a little bit smaller. But then again, women are wearing traditionally men's sized watches nowadays, which could be 39 or 42. So overall, it felt really comfortable on my wrist. I personally enjoy a larger face watch. And of course, because it doesn't have the movement, it is going to be lighter. So keep that in consideration. All right, let's go ahead and talk about the dial. So this is a white face dial. You will notice that there are a few hidden Easter eggs on here. So you do have Snoopy on the dial in two places, and kind of as you use the chronograph features, you will see him pop in and out of view. So that is in that top right circle on the dial. Now on the back, you're also going to see Mission to the Moon with a picture of a moon and a little paw print from Snoopy himself. Now that is very similar to the back that you get when you have an actual Omega Speedmaster. So on the back, you will see kind of an engraving that says like first watch to be worn on the moon. So that is a really great homage to the original. We will show that coming up shortly. Now, something else to keep in mind is that the strap itself is very lightweight. It is very Swatch, I will say. So it is not going to be sturdy. For that reason, I did purchase a few additional straps to try out, and we will be posting those unboxing and try on videos shortly to help you with your mission to find a new strap. There are a lot of strap options available specifically on Amazon, and they kind of range from like $10 to $40. Of course, there's nothing wrong with using the Speedmaster or the Omega Swatch Speedmaster watch. You are going to get that but printing on there that does show the Speedmaster and Omega Swatch. So if you do like that novelty of having the printed elements on your watch, you're probably going to like to use that band, but keep in mind it is made of Velcro, and over time that is going to wear out. Now, I don't know if these are going to become collector's items. Currently, they are not limited edition, so you can get them in the stores. The caveat is that you have to pick them up in store. They do not ship and they are not available online. Now, that being said, you can find them on places like StockX or eBay, and it does not seem currently like they are selling at a premium. So if you are interested, they are available. However, keep in mind, if they do stop making these, they might become more valuable, so you might want to factor that in before you start using it. That is all for today. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.